Okay, here is some box elder I got from one of my followers, and it's got a little bit of red tint to it. It's faded a little bit from being in the sun. I'm hoping that it'll be some on the interior. But my intent here is to make some kind of winged bowl. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to put my woodworm screw right about here where it's still solid, and I got to make sure it's solid. I may have to move to my right, and I'll turn some of this. Then I'm going to fill this void, including this crack, with CA glue and sawdust. And I have some pink sawdust that I might use here. Since this has red, I'll fill this with pink and CA glue. So now obviously I got to get to a point where it's not using a huge amount, because I don't have a lot and I would have to make some more, and that may be okay. But as you can see from this side, the center is going to be about here, which is where the woodworm screw is going to go, and then I'm going to go over this far and cut this off, and then I'll probably round the corners. But when I get done, this surface will still be a smooth version of what you see there, and over here will be bark at some point. And I'll have to machine this off, and there'll be a tenon right about here. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, here's that piece of box elder that I was going to work on. I'm going to leave this side and this edge, probably have some live edge here, and some chainsaw edge here. The tenon is going to be right about here. You can see the live center. I got the 4-jack chuck on this side with the woodworm screw, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to jam some sawdust in here, and then I'm going to put some pink sawdust in. I mean, this naturally has some pink in it from the wood, but I'm only going to fill up to about here, not do anything back here. I'm going to let it be natural after that. I just want to make it so the bowl doesn't have a void in the bottom of it. We'll see how that goes. Okay, here is a piece of box elder that I've turned. It had some pink. I mean, you can see all this area over here. There's a lot of pink in there. There's quite a bit of pink in the wood. I don't know if they call it flame box elder or something. But I added pink sawdust and mica powder to a void that was right here. Now, I didn't fill it entirely. I wanted it to look like a little more like a river, a waterfall going down into the bowl. It turned out pretty nice. So I filled a gap that existed there, and I filled a little bit on the bottom, not nearly that much on the bottom. You got a live edge on the left here that has bark, and then on the far side there it is chainsawed area, and there's some features that I didn't want to sand out forever because I would have had to sand, I don't know, 1/16 of an inch more off. So there's a line down the side where when it was chainsawed it had some features to it. Overall it turned out, the color, I really like this, and I didn't quite get, my pink is more blue pink than orange pink. So it's not quite exactly the color I wanted, but it's what I had already made, and it turned out pretty nice. And I have another piece of wood. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it, but it'll be similar. It's a much bigger piece though, so I got to figure out what to do with it. But this is it. And it's about 8.5 inches long and 2 inches tall. And that's about it.
If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond.